EPFO inspection proceedings in India by C-Quel. For the longest time, Indian establishments have been subjected to roving EPF inspections ranging from non-uploading of inspections orders to non-identification of beneficiaries. A host of process discrepancies afflict EPFO inspection proceedings in India. This acts as an impediment to the vision of ease of doing business in India. In view of these challenges, a recent Delhi High Court judgment has directed the CPFC to issue orders to address the difficulties. Accordingly, the EPFO has issued a set of instructions for conducting proceedings, aiming to mitigate the challenges faced by litigants. What are the common complaints against EPF inspectors? Passing orders determining the liability of an establishment without identification of beneficiaries. Initiation of inquiries against principal employers even when contractors have independent employer EPF codes/registrations. Passing orders determining liability of an establishment without establishing the existence of an employer-employee relationship. What are the major takeaways from the EPFO circular? All the quasi-judicial EPF proceedings to be mandatorily conducted through the e-proceedings portal. Prima facie existence of cases must be recorded by adjudicating officers before initiation of action. Fishing and roving investigations to be avoided. Initiation of proceedings to be accompanied by all case-specific documents. All notices to be issued through speed post and email. In case of an adjournment, the next date of listing, along with the case status and daily order sheet must be intimated to parties and uploaded on the compliance proceeding portal for transparency. Adjudicating officers to ensure that sufficient opportunity is afforded to parties for representing their cases. Where any case is reserved for final orders, the date of pronouncement is to be fixed preferably within 15 days by adjudicating officers. In ex parte proceedings, serving of notice is to be carefully examined by the adjudicating officers. All final orders to be authenticated by adjudicating officers in compliance with dated signatures and the provisions of the State Emblem of India, Regulation of Use, Rules, 2007. All final orders to be dispatched through speed post and email. Copies of final orders are to be uploaded to the compliance proceedings portal within 3 days of the pronouncement. Adjudicating officers to ensure strict adherence to instructions and guidance for conducting the virtual hearing by the circular dated the 1st of October 2020. Let's take a look at the list of issues addressed through the EPFO circular. What are the existing gray areas? Ambiguity regarding transparency pertaining to online order sheets, since during physical hearings an establishment's representative is only required to sign on a blank order sheet. Punishment for non-compliance of guidelines not provided, leaving room for non-adherence. Have questions? Ask C-Quel.